Hello lovely people! Welcome to another graphic liner makeup tutorial with face mask. I'm gonna show you how I created this gold and black shade eye makeup look, so join me guys. Let's do some eyebrows, and I'm using from TART Cosmetics the Amazonian Clay Brow Mousse. After carving the brows, let's prep the eyes with eye primer from MAC Cosmetics using the concealer brush. Let's put some lip booster to moisten our lips from CATRICE Cosmetics. It's time for the eye makeup look, and I'm using my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette from Morphe X James Charles. Let's start picking the black shade to create a crease line. I'm creating a bold black line, so let's start from applying small amount to avoid the harsh lines. Picking up the dark brown to blend the edges so it won't be too harsh to blend the black line. After achieving the smooth finish, let's cut the crease with concealer from CATRICE Cosmetics. So the way to cut the crease is to start applying concealer in the middle to test where the lid opens. It's time to shine the gold shimmer, applying on top of my concealer where I cut the crease. Doing the wing liner at my outer V with the black shade and eyeliner from Huda Beauty. To clean the edge, you can use concealer, and this time I'm using makeup wipes. And that's it for applying the black and gold graphic liner eye makeup look. Time to put the face mask to finish our graphic liner makeup look. Hope you enjoy watching my black and gold graphic liner makeup look with face mask. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. See you in my next one. Bye!